Today, he woke up with visions of the future burning in his retinas like last night's tears packed so much fury behind his eyelids. It's the confirmation into his dreams. He's not gonna be alone forever. His daughter is saved, and God has plans for him. Never wanting to admit that he may have placed all his hope into hollow hands, he drags on dust sticks and hits the bottle like, yeah, God may be holding the world here, but what's holding up God? He's been fumbling his life through his fingers because shaky hands don't make for strong foundations, so where do his kids fit into the picture? He claims that every step he's ever made forward has been from God, so he goes where the Spirit leads. But I wonder if he realized he traded in his soul for a pocket full of IOUs, because he's still waiting for that wife he promised him. And he can't spend another damn night alone with his hand, especially with his kids still in the house. And if his daughter is saved, why she keep trying to drain her soul by making herself bleed? And God, if you have plans for him, then why have all of his bones turned into dust because all the elbow grease in the world can't ease working this hard every single day of your life? So what's holding up God? Is it the same thing that put him in a place where today's broken teeth tasted like yesterday's letdowns, but tomorrow when he fights back, he's gonna pack so much frustration into his fist, no one's gonna have the right to make fun of him when he cries himself to sleep tonight. He's earned that respect. And when he cries, he always begs you, God, what's holding you up? If I was made in your image, why didn't I get your sturdy backbone to hold the weight of the world on my shoulders with? Because it's crushing me and I can't breathe. So will you help me breathe? I can't do it on my own because I often feel like if I hurt myself today and kill myself tomorrow, it's not going to matter in a week. And if I keep fighting this fight, I know I'm never going to win. And in the end, will I still believe in the cause? Is there a cause? Is there a reason why I fight this hard every day? Because I feel like I'm running in place. So God, get me the fuck off this treadmill. I want to run outside for a change. Are you listening? Because this life you've got me living is killing me. So will you be there when I die for you? Were you there when they died for you? Were you there May 30th, 1431 when Joan of Arc birthed at the stake for you? Do you remember April 4th, 1968 when Martin Luther King got shot to death for you? Tell me, where were you? The day Jesus Christ bled to death on the cross, pleading, my God, why hast thou forsaken me? Will you forsake me? Or will you be there the day I die, holding me up?